a science experiment, a very fun. Okay, first we need baking soda, see, baking soda, and we need vinegar, and we need this bottle. You have to fill it with vinegar, just a little bit, and we need this balloon. We have to fill it with a little bit with baking soda. So now I'm going to put this on the top. Do you know that carbon dioxide is produced by vinegar and baking soda when it's mixed? So I put this on the top of the water bottle, but it's not filled with water, it's filled with vinegar. It will create a chemical reaction, and it's the fun part of my video. So now I'm going to add this into the water. See. Now this is all of my experiment. It's very fun.